My name is Mike Copeland. I'm the CEO of Arrington Performance. We're a family-owned automotive engineering and performance company located in Brighton, Michigan. We are a member of SEMA. California's Advanced Clean Cars 2 rulemaking will virtually eliminate the sale of new vehicles other than electric starting in 2035. We all want to protect the environment, but as written, this regulation ignores the true environmental impact of electric vehicles, including the environmental impact of creating battery packs, creating electricity to run the vehicles, and disposing of the battery packs when they fail. This creates an unrealistic measurement used to call electric vehicles zero emissions. I believe it is wrong for the government to select and effectively dictate one path, especially one that has as many other options to meet the requirement. The role of government should be to define the requirement and let the innovation define the process to get there. We are a country of innovators, and every day we solve challenges. At Arrington, we have spent over 3.5 years and millions of dollars to develop a process to run internal combustion engines on hydrogen. We have developed a process that will allow any 4-stroke internal combustion engine, gas or diesel based, to run on hydrogen. Our process will work on anything from a lawnmower to a Class 8 semi-truck. We have built a running, driving, hydrogen-burning proof-of-concept vehicle. It is a 1948 Chevy pickup truck powered by a late model 6.2-liter GM engine with a supercharger. It currently makes right at 500 horsepower. The major advantage of burning hydrogen is it is carbon-free. Without adding some other form of carbon-based fuel to the combustion process, it is impossible to make carbon while burning hydrogen. We have run EPA certification tests, FTP 74, FTP 75, and US 06 on our proof of concept vehicle. We tested against the EPA certified results for production vehicles equipped with the same engine family. Even without any exhaust after treatment, our results are measurably better than the EPA certified vehicles we tested against. As a matter of fact, our results are much better than new 2024 vehicles with comparable horsepower. Our testing proves that we have zero carbon from the exhaust. Our highest recorded NOx, and was only 2 points during the entire US 06 test, and we recorded highest level of 0.086. We continue development work on improvements for our system. Analytically, our next update will reduce NOx to 0.014 while still having zero carbon. Another advantage to our process, it can be retrofitted to the 290+ million registered vehicles already on the road in the United States. Thank you for your time.